What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Ckb Nervos network, which has pumped up 74% in the last 24 hours and getting very close to the 1 cent target. As you guys can see, it is currently valued at 0.008 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Nervos network. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down? And as you guys can see, over the last week 70%, and over the month a massive 151%. It has been performing very well. However, the main question is it currently overvalued? Can it drop back down in value over the coming days, weeks and so on? Or is it going to keep pumping, potentially hitting the dollar mark over the next couple of weeks and months as well? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and the long term as well, looking at how high can this crypto go, and is a crypto to be investing into in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ckb, which is here in purple at 0.004748 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at over 0.008 cents, nearly double the amount of the SMA indicator, meaning it may be overvalued and maybe in for a little bit of a dip, which we will go through later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning increases in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, I'm also expecting it to take red candles in between, take a little bit of dips, because the way it's pumped up, it is definitely overvalued right now, and it is due for a little bit of a step back down over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to gain value again, potentially later on this evening to tomorrow morning, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Nothing too crazy, just a little bit of an increase from where it is at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we are looking a little bit too steep. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Only reason is looking this steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week and early next week. However, that is not the case. I'm not expecting Nervos network to be pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming week, because that's not realistic at all. In fact, I am expecting it to have dropped back down in value to around 0.006 cents in value is where I'm expecting Ckb to be trading at by beginning to mid next week. So an overall drop in value is what is expected. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, it is slightly overvalued right now and in for a little bit of a price correction over the coming days, so do expect red days to follow over the coming days and potentially by the end of this week as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well, meaning once again this is not realistic. Exact same reason as the previous chart. So essentially over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid-April 2024, I'm expecting Ckb to have dropped down in value to around 0.004 cents in value. Reason for that is it is pumping like crazy right now, and yes, I know The crypto market is also pumping, with Bitcoin did head over $50,000 late last night and early this morning as well. But yes, the crypto market is up. However, it has to go for a price correction. If you guys are in my Telegram group chat, you would have known that I did expect a price correction. Again, if you guys want to get involved, link is again in the description box down below. But yeah, at the moment, yes, the market is up. However, it is due for a price correction, which means CKB is also due for a price correction, as it is way overvalued, and I'm expecting it to drop back down to 0.004 cents in value by early April and mid-April as well. But again, as most of you guys would know, Bitcoin halving is taking place in April, which should have a major impact on the value of the crypto market in general, which I will also keep you guys updated on as much as I can as I get more information and news and data. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So zooming into the Fibonacci scale, we have literally broken out from the red zone into the green zone and into the dark green zone without any resistance, meaning this is not sustainable. So again, the fact that it has broken out without any resistance makes it not sustainable. So that is another reason why I'm expecting it to drop back down into the red zone over the coming weeks and so on, because it's not realistic at the moment. It is overvalued, and as I keep saying, it is due for a price correction. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 2,400%, making it $145 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for this is, of course, it is one of the top, or the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So at the moment, it is getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view. As you guys can see, it is the top gainer according to Binance in the last 24 hours. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on CKB. I've seen a lot of people have been trading the crypto over the last couple of hours, which is absolutely insane. But again, if you guys are investing into it right now, make sure your risk management is on point, as it is a very risky time to invest into it, especially straight after the pump. As I mentioned, it is overvalued, but again, that does not mean I'm telling you guys to invest or not to invest. It is entirely up to you guys what you guys want to do, but just be careful out there. Again, number one rule to cryptocurrency is do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.